Okay guys, so I've got a problem with my EVGA. Now I've previously reviewed this laptop and I do rate it, I still do, but the problem is this. So after using this laptop basically for editing and playing various games, this has been happening. The screws have started to come out on their own. So I've lost, let me just see, I've lost one, two, and currently these ones are just about ready to fall out. Got one there and one there. They're just basically coming out on their own now. Whether it's through the fans or the heat, I don't know, but this hasn't actually been overheating, it's actually been staying cool. So I'm wondering if it's the vibration through the fans. Now I've not been overclocking it, so I've not been putting it into super mode, and I'm currently trying to get through to EVGA, and up to now they've not replied. Now, like I said, I'm still rating this laptop. It is really good for the price, but it's just that these faults, I'm just worried about the tamper screw as well, whether that's going to come out. So yeah guys, please leave some comments if you're having the same problem with your EVGA laptop, with the fact that the screws are, you know, basically coming out. And yeah, I'm going to be straight onto Twitter with this video and see if I can actually contact EVGA through tagging them. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and please get over to my channel just now and make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification option, and yeah, get updated, because I like to update you on new tech and gadget reviews. So thanks for watching, and catch you guys later. Peace!